You are going to love the 2006 Tahoe. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter engine, and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 140,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, daytime running lights, fog lights, roof rack. Inside you'll find cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows, child seat anchors, tachometer, power steering, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, overhead console. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.